everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. In this video I will be showing you how to change your lips permanently to pink lips within 7 days. I will be giving you the solution to hyperpigmentation lips, and I will also be giving you solutions to darker lips, especially if you're a smoker and you've been smoking for a very long time, and due to smoking your lips has darkened, or naturally your lips has gone darker without any reasons. You are on the right video. In today's video I decided to come on camera without any sort of makeup so that you guys will see my lips 100% pink lips, guys. This works 100%. I naturally do not have really pink lips. My lips are brownish in complexion or brownish in color, but throughout the years I've been getting hyperpigmentation on my lips as I'm growing older, so I decided to find a solution for it. And guys, I kid you not, within 7 days, if you have very tough skin, 2 to 3 weeks maximum. So I will be inserting a mini video right on the left or the right hand side to show you what I do every morning and night with the products that change my lips. So these products are from Cosmetics. They're called Extreme Pink Lips Serum / Balm, and this is what it looks like. Extreme pink lips. And guys, when you open the cream or the balm, this is what it looks like. This is not going to make your lips look like a lipstick. This is not a lipstick. This is a lip cream. I just applied it on my hand and I'm going to rub it onto my palm for you guys to know that this is not a lipstick. Can you see that this is not a lipstick? This is a lip balm. So once you rub it into your skin, it penetrates inside your skin and works wonders. It's got a soothing sort of feeling to it. Guys, this repairs damaged chapped lips as well as lightening your lips. This video is not just for women. It's for both men and women, because hyperpigmentation is not just on women's side. Some men experience hyperpigmentation, and also some men naturally, as they aging, their lips go darker. If you want to go back to your original state, you are on the right track. So it comes with a lip scrub, and this is the strawberry and coconut sugar lip scrub. This lip scrub is what you exfoliate. As I'm showing you on the video, I exfoliate my lips every morning and every night and wash before I wash my face, and once after I exfoliate, I wash it off, then I apply my lip balm. This lip balm should be applied throughout the day. So when you feel like your lips are dry, instead of using a lip balm or Vaseline, this should be your go-to lip balm. Guys, within 7 days you will notice a drastic difference. I will leave a link of where to purchase this in my description box down below. And guys, it's from Cosmetics, and this lip miracle cream will change your lips no matter how many products that you have tried. Guys, I repeat, no matter how many products you have tried in the past, this lip cream will change your world. You will be surprised. Whether you're a man or a woman, whether you're a smoker or non-smoker, it works 100% for smokers, those that have been smoking for years. Guys, look at how pinkish my lips look. I already have applied the lip balm, as you saw. This is the effect of using Cosmetics Extreme Pink Permanent Lip Cream. This is what happens. Obviously, I've been using this for the past 6 months, so my lips are super pinky and glossy. When I tell you guys that I do not need a lip balm, when I leave the house, people stop all my days. I love your skin, I love your lips. I also get my face cream as well from there, the glutathione face cream. If you are experiencing hyperpigmentation on your face, your neck, their face cream works miracles. Today we're just going to concentrate on the lip cream, and once you guys try it, you should come back and leave me a comment. Use the product for at least 1 month and come back and tell me your stories. Guys, leave a comment and let me know what you think, because I know there is not, where I repeat, there is not a single person I have recommended this to that their lips has not changed. This works, guys. I said after you buy the product, use it for at least 1 month and come and give me your comment down below. Guys, I also have a 10% coupon code because I decided to do this video and it will not be nice if I don't give a coupon code for 10%, which is LBC10. I will leave it on the screen, LBC10. Guys, you will not regret it. If you're a man, if you're a woman, if you're experiencing dark lips, if you're a smoker, if naturally your lips are going darker, if something happened to you and your lips went darker, no matter what the situation situation is, this should be called the Miracle Lip Balm, but it's called the Extreme Lightning Pink Lip Cream slash Balm. Guys, you will not regret it. And look at how flawless my face looks. Le Beau Cosmetique has changed my life. All the ingredients used in this is 100% organic, like giga white powder, kojic acid powder, and a lot of oils that is good, like shea butter, tea tree, and the formula is just amazing. All I know is it works and the ingredients are 100% organic. So guys, do check Le Beau Cosmetique out. I had to come on camera and show you my bare face because I usually put a makeup on before coming on camera, but I had to do this tonight. My lips is given like, what? I had to do this video. So if you're suffering from hyperpigmentation, guys, as I said, Le Beau Cosmetique, the website will be below. You can check, they do so many amazing products as well. I'll see you viewers in my next, and these are if you don't get this packaging, it's not the one. This is what you get: the pink lip cream and the coconut strawberry sugar scrub for exfoliating the lips. It's very vital to exfoliate the lips before applying the cream. So see you viewers in my next video. Hope you viewers did enjoy my bare face video, and I will be doing more videos like this when there's something out there that I need to try. I'll see you viewers in my next. Stay blessed and bye bye.